Welcome once again. This is me Anwar and this is my new video for you all. I shared a lot of video about different scholarship in different countries. So I came with a new video, some new scholarship in different countries, fully funded scholarship, mostly government scholarship. So let's start. But before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Now let's start. So in our list, the first government scholarship is fully funded Netherlands government scholarship for 2022. So you can see here the deadline is 23 March, and you can see Netherlands, the host country is Netherlands, and it's for short courses and master level students. And it's a government scholarship, it's a fully funded. You can see scholarship overview here. It's a very good scholarship around the world, and you can see financial coverage for Netherlands government scholarship. It's fully funded. You can see fully tuition fee, living allowance, visa fee, and lot of other things are included in this scholarship. Okay, and you can see eligibility criteria, and you can check while you are eligible or not. Okay, and you can also check your major, and you can see available fields of study. So you can see here, you can, for more detail you can click in here, and also you can see eligible countries. So a lot of countries here, and for more details you can just click in this. You will see a lot of details, and you will see the official website, and all the details are mentioned here. Okay, so in our list the second one is fully funded global Korea scholarship. Okay, and the deadline is 30 June. Okay, the host country is South Korea, and all courses for master, PhD, and postdoc student, and it's a fully funded. It's a government scholarship. Okay, you can see scholarship overview here, and for more detail you can see here scholarship coverage. Okay, it's a fully funded and well-known scholarship around the world. Everyone almost know this scholarship. Okay, and you can see eligibility criteria as well for Korean government scholarship. Okay, available academic fields and Korean government scholarship duration. For more detail you can click on this side. Okay, and our list, the third university and the third scholarship is MSc International Master Project Management Dean's Excellent Scholarship in United Kingdom. You can see the deadline, it's 31st May, and the host country is United Kingdom. It's for postgraduate and master student. Okay, it's a fully funded scholarship, and for all subject it's available. You can see scholarship overview here, and you can also see more details like scholarship benefits. Okay, and as well as you can see scholarship eligibility criteria for different countries, and more for more information you can just click in this, and you will see the official information in official site. Okay, in our list the fourth one is Government of Ireland scholarship for non-EEA student are at Trinity College Dublin. Okay, it's a well-known college of Ireland. Okay, and the deadline for this scholarship is 26 March, and the host country is Ireland, and it's for all subject and all study level, and it's a fully funded. Watch this one, scholarship overview per detail. Okay, and you can also see scholarship benefits, scholarship eligibility, and for more details you can just click in this site. Okay, the official website will open, and you can see all the information. Okay, and also apply procedure. In our list the fifth one is International Paraprep PhD scholarship in France. Okay, it's the host country is France, and you can see the deadline here, and it's for provider Paraprep, and study level all, subject all, and it's a fully funded scholarship of France government. Okay, and scholarship overview, and you can see scholarship eligibility. Okay, And moreover, for more information you can just click on this site. And our list, the sixth one, it last but not the least, it's Australian government scholarship, well known scholarship around the world. Everyone know this scholarship. It's the deadline is 30 April, and the host country is Australia. It's for master, bachelor and PhD for all, okay, and for all subject, and it's a fully funded government scholarship, okay. In you can see scholarship overview here. This is scholarship overview, and you can see scholarship benefits. It's very good. You can see all scholarship benefits for this scholarship, okay. And you can see eligibility, yeah, or eligible countries, okay. You can search your country. If your country is in the list, then you are eligible, you can apply for the scholarship, okay. But the eligibility criteria is different for every country. You must watch the official website, okay. And the official website is here. Mm, and also you can see a lot of universities under the scholarship, okay, similar like Chinese government scholarship. So here is Australian government scholarship, and this is the university list, okay. And for more information you can visit this site. You will see all the important information for this scholarship. So that's enough for today. I will come with more videos, more universities, more scholarships around the world. So stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.